Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to use a birthing ball during pregnancy and how to use it effectively so as to gain maximum benefit out of it. Now, definitely using a birthing ball has many benefits, and there are certain exercises that can be done easily on it without stressing too much. Also, if somebody do not have a birthing ball, do not worry, because at the end of the video I'm also going to tell you some of the exercise alternatives which can be done if you do not have a birthing ball. So let's get started. Now, before beginning these exercises, let us first see how do you choose a correct size of birthing ball. So when you are sitting on the ball, your feet should be firmly placed on the ground and your knees should be at least at the same height as your hips or slightly lower than them. Your hips should never be lower than this height of your knees. The first exercise are pelvic tilt, which is from side to side direction. So find a good balance for yourself on the ball and then start doing these side to side rocking movements on your ball. Sitting on a ball relieves back pain associated with pregnancy as it brings the weight of the baby forward. It also keeps your pelvis open during labor and contractions. The second exercise is pelvic tilting in the anterior and posterior direction. Now, a birthing ball can provide a lot of comfort before and during labor, and can also relieve back pain, decrease pelvic pressure, and it might even shorten the labor. The third exercise will be pelvis and hip circles. We'll be doing this in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Now, while you are doing this exercise, make sure that it is only the pelvis region which is rotating on the ball. Your upper body is not moving along with it. Try to keep it stable as much as possible, and it is only the pelvic rocking that is taking place on the ball. Now, these birthing balls, they are great multitaskers which can help with every stage of pregnancy and even afterwards when your baby arrives. Sitting for a few minutes every day on this ball, it helps you resist the urge to slump as it keeps you in an erect position. So because you are maintaining your muscles in a taut position while you're sitting on it, it also engages your core muscles and pelvic floor muscles, therefore strengthening these muscles as well. And these muscles are really required during your pregnancy and even the post-pregnancy recovery phase as well. Now, the next exercise are full rotations on the ball, but these kind of exercises require little more balance, so you start doing them only when you feel that you have had good balance sitting on the ball and you do not have any chances of falling. If you're not comfortable, you can always just keep yourself to the pelvic rotations only. Now, we know squatting is important during the full term of your pregnancy, especially during the third trimester. So a simple exercise which will help you prepare for these squats is just leaning a little forward on the ball, but always find your perfect balance before you do this exercise. Widen your legs, make more support for yourself or making a more bigger base of support for yourself, and then do the side to side tilting or side to side bending on the ball and lean little forward. This opens up your pelvic area and prepares you for normal delivery as well. There are certain things and certain exercises which you should not be doing on the ball. Once you have a birthing ball, everybody have this urge of having some bounces on it. Who can avoid that urge? But try to avoid that, because bouncing, it requires balance, so do it with utmost caution. Also, avoid exercising on the ball while you're talking to someone or you're watching television, so that you do not lose your balance. And what if you do not have a birthing ball? Do not worry, this simple substitution of the same exercises will help you do the same things as you are doing on the birthing ball. Just stand erect, your feet should be shoulder width apart, slightly bend both your knees, And then do the same pelvic rotations and tilting that we did while sitting on the birthing ball, that is from side to side direction in the anterior and posterior direction, and then making pelvic rotations in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Exercising on a birthing ball, however, distributes weight more evenly. It relieves your spinal pressure. It can also reduce back pain because of this. It has a good chance of shortening your labor, so it makes up for an easy delivery as well. It also keeps your pelvis open during labor and the contractions that occur during the birthing process. You can also do gentle side to side rotations and circles, but try to avoid any jerky or harsh movements. And always remember, whenever you're exercising, pay full concentration to the exercise itself and try to avoid any kind of distractions if you want to avoid any kind of injury. So that's all for today. If you like our video, then please like it, share it with somebody who might benefit from it, and do subscribe to our channel. Till then, be happy, be safe, and we'll see you soon in our next video.